Howdy, Aggies. Welcome to week number 4. We're a month into this already. And I'm going to be honest with you. I'm always honest with you. This week's going to suck. This is probably, if not the toughest topic of the semester. It's second. And you knew it was coming. It's proofs, which we hit on quite often actually through almost the entire semester from here on out. So that's how important this is. Please do not wait to the last second. At least start looking at some stuff today. Even if it's minor stuff, at least get your framework, your head wrapped around some of it to know what to expect to do and go from there. So just please don't wait to the last second. Please, please, please. This week's going to suck, like I said. The weeks after this, actually, things get a lot easier with sets and some other items that are not as hard as this. So if we can get through this and get through some grit and get this done, you should be in pretty decent shape. But it is going to be the toughest one throughout the week. I have a lot of material for you. Other than quizzes and the homework there, when I click on the material here, the notes in the playlist, you know the setup. But in the notes, I actually have a lot of examples. I don't have a lot of exercises, and I bring that up because your class participation is going to be 2 exercises that I want you to do. So notice this is extensive when it comes to the set of notes, but again, as you can see, I'm doing a lot of different examples in here, and also obviously I do them in the videos as well, going over each form of this. So there's a lot in here, gang. I'm not going to lie to you. So there's a lot of stuff positive. I miss doing that. A lot of stuff that's going on here. So just a heads up, it's going to be a very meaty time for that. And then I'm going to click on the playlist just to make sure it shows up. And yep, and there's about 20 different items that we have there. There's my ugly face, and there's all. But notice these are really going over, well, everything we have in the notes, but it's really going over examples as much as I can. I'm not really giving out a lot of exercises. So there's a heads up when it comes to that. I got nothing else for you. Oh, I take it back. So grade scope. You're going to use 2 questions here to turn in. You got a proof by contradiction on the first one, then you can use any proof technique that you want to for the second problem, and that's going to be your 2 problems that you're going to do for class participation. Homeworks. Homeworks, you should be either caught up or really close to caught up. Now, again, if you just turned it in Sunday, we're not going to be, or Saturday, I should say, we're not going to be, ready for that yet. But all the other homeworks, like week 1, week 2, they should be graded, and you should see a grade for that in GradeScope. Please let me know if you do not. The other thing that you should see is now you should have access to a solution, but also a lot of them have a video that one of our TAs has done to go over why it is that solution. If you don't see a solution for your homework questions, excuse me, if you don't see a homework solution for some of your problems, please let me know. It's a setting on our end that we need to fix, and I want to make sure that you have access to that. But every homework, you should have now at least a solution set so that you can go back to and look at the midterm. Please check to make sure it's there. It's the last thing I want for you. I want to make sure that you get a perfect feedback when it comes to, well, knowledge in this class, because I care about it. So other than that, I think that's it. I'm looking at my notes here. Yep, all done from here. Keep me posted if you need anything. Otherwise, get to work now. Do not let this catch up to you and be late. Get it done. See you in a bit.